Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn is the use and operation of a battery balancer. Battery balancing is a key technology in battery management system. During the production and use of batteries, due to manufacturing processes and raw materials, and other factors, there are small consistency differences. There will be slight consistency differences. These differences will gradually amplify over time and use, which will lead to the obvious differences in voltage, internal resistance, temperature, and other characteristics between different battery cells in the battery pack. This imbalance will have a serious impact on the performance and safety. When the internal resistance or temperature are significantly different, the charging and discharging process will become uneven. Some batteries may be overcharged or over-discharge, resulting in a rapid attenuation of the overall capacity, and the range is significantly reduced. What's more serious is that imbalance may cause safety hazards, such as battery overheating and thermal runaway, or even in extreme cases, leading to battery fires or explosions. Before using a battery balancer, we need to understand its function. Battery by real-time monitoring and actively adjusting the voltage of battery cells. It can effectively balance the state of each battery. Battery balancing technology mainly includes energy dissipation and energy transfer. It can reduce the voltage of high electricity cells or transfer it to low voltage single cells, thus maintaining the consistency of the battery pack. This can not only extend the battery pack's lifespan, but also improve the overall performance and safety of new energy vehicles. Here is a common battery balancer. The supporting tools, including terminals and battery connecting wires. Before use, we need to check the integrity of the balancer and the wiring harness to ensure they are not damaged. Next, we will connect the battery balancer. 4 single cells. First, make sure the positive and negative poles of each battery are correctly connected to the terminals of the balancer to avoid short circuit. Please pay attention. Be careful during the connection process. To avoid poor contact or short circuit, the voltage of each single battery will be detected by the balancer. To ensure the battery balancer can effectively adjust the battery's power, the operation interface of the battery balancer is very intuitive. We can use the operation buttons or touchscreen to select different balancing modes, such as equalization maintenance, parallel charging maintenance. In the battery type, we can choose lithium iron phosphate and ternary lithium. After selecting the appropriate mode, press the start button to start the balancing operation. Once the operation starts, the balancer will monitor the voltage of the battery in real time and automatically adjusts the power difference between batteries. The battery balancer operation takes a certain time. The specific time depends on the voltage difference. During the balancing process, the balancer will continuously adjust the power of each battery until the voltage of each battery in the battery pack reaches the preset balance state. Make sure there is no interference during the operation and avoid power interruption. Otherwise, the balancing operation needs to start again. When the balancing is finished, the balancer will display the operation result. Confirm that the voltages of each battery are basically the same. If the voltage of a battery fails to reach the standard value, we need to further check the health status of the battery. After the balancing is done, we should also conduct a final inspection to confirm whether the battery voltages are balanced and check if there is any abnormal heat generation or any visual changes. Today we demonstrated how to use a battery balancer to perform battery balancing. Through balancing, we can ensure that each single battery in the battery pack is the same in the battery's capacity, thus improving the efficiency and safety of the battery. When using a battery balancer, please pay attention to safety, wear appropriate protective equipment, and follow the operation manual. Always keep the device clean and in good condition to ensure the accuracy and safety of the operation. That's all for today's class.